Open Lightroom. Scroll down and click on New Album. Select Album from Create New. Name the new album. Open the new album. Then click on the Add button. Select the device folder. Click on the menu button. Avoid the tick marks by leaving the tick mark on the RAW. Then the presets that you have downloaded to your device will appear on the top. Select that preset and click on the Add button. Open the preset that you have added. Click on the menu button. Scroll down and copy settings. Click the tick mark. And then go back. Scroll up and go to the photo that you want to edit.